join me on a hotel tour of Phi Phi Holiday Resort, and it starts right here on the beach. Yay! How beautiful. It's so lovely here. Okay, let's go. So you start off by coming in via tractor. So they do bring you in on this, and then you do step off onto these steps. You then arrive here at some sort of check-in, but it's not a check-in. They drop your cases off. You do have some of the tours here available. Now you can pick tours up here, or you can pick tours up out there. I'll let you decide which one's best, but do your research is all I will say. You're then welcomed by this beachfront bar, which is not open first thing in the morning. However, there are still some tables to sit out here if you have an early checkout. It's quite nice to sit around here. The tiles do get hot, so make sure you've got your flip-flops on, but it's just absolute paradise view. Then as you come around, you have got the bar area. There is sometimes some people playing music here, you know, like guitars, singing, etc, etc. The bar's open, and there is a telly on the back wall, which does sometimes play the football. So there is no escaping it. Then as you come on up, you have got the main reception area, which is straight in front of you on the beach. In here, you will walk through, you've got the Wi-Fi, the computers to use, and then in that little hut there, they'll take you for your check-in. So that's where you hand over your passports and do all of that stuff. Now you do have a shop here to the left. So it's a full holiday hotel sort of resort shop. However, what I will say is prices are so expensive. It is triple the price. You are on an island, so just bear in mind to make sure you bring everything with you that you may need. You can get drinks, beers, ice creams in there too. And then you do have a diving shop as well. So here's one of the trips that you can do there. Scuba diving, and they have been doing some in the pool this morning, which I'll show you. So here is one of the pools, and then that is where you have breakfast. Good morning, come and have a breakfast with us at the sort of like buffet area at the hotel. It's attached to the side of the Jimmy Cafe. It's a really easy way to find it. It hasn't got a specific name, but it's quite a nice big building. I'll show you what's available. So we've just come down for breakfast, and they give you this, which is how you decide how you want your eggs, whether it's like fried, omelettes, choice of filling, how many eggs you want, boiled egg, etc, etc, and then you just go and hand it in. So I think that's a pretty cool way. So instead of queuing, they do this for you, which is lush. So I'm gonna go and hand that in now. So we've got some bacon. Okay, don't want to let this steam out of that. The dim sauce. And shrimp, fried rice with eggs. It's got some like corn in there as well. Some fried large noodles, Thai style vegetables, stir fried fish, celery, broccoli soup, chicken sausage. Not a bit of me that. Not sure what's in here. Oh, some ham, grilled mixed vegetables. Okay. Sauteed potato with onion, baked beans. Got all your milks. So you've got fresh milk, low fat milk, orange juice, and juices. And then you've got some fresh fruits. So watermelon, cantaloupe, guava and orange. Looking lovely. We've got all the fresh pastries. So cinnamon rolls, some pain au chocolats, normal croissants, and some sort of berry one. Lush. Walk you back around to the other side. In the centre, you've got all your cereals, bread rolls. Oh my gosh, it's like a chocolate brownie style thing. Chocolate cake. Wow, it smells amazing. Donuts, which also smell amazing. cereals. So it just looks like normal cornflakes and stuff. Toast, which Kirsty's queuing for. That's amazing.
There's waffles.
Oh, and there's waffles. That's my station that I love. All the fresh salads, all the greens, and olives and dried fruits. This is the egg station, where we just put our order in with the waffles, pancakes and French toast. And then you've got all the berry sauce, honey, maple syrup, chocolate sauce. So you've got a station with rice as well. So you've got just normal plain rice. Don't know what that is. Oh, red curry with vegetable. Wow, it smells amazing, whatever that was. And deep fried corn cake. Interesting. And then last but not least, we've got steamed broth rice with chicken. And then I have no idea what these are. So that is breakfast. And obviously with a gorgeous view out there. So it's a really lovely hotel, very open plan style. They do quite often have little deals going on, so just keep your eyes out for the boards. Oh, hello kitty, it's okay. I'm not going to come over to you, it's fine. So a special cocktail by bucket today for 350 baht. So that's one of the deals that they've got on today. And the spa is situated over there as well. Oh, look, they've just finished their scuba diving session. Okay, and now we are going to get on a buggy, because to get around this hotel, you do have to travel by buggy. Everything is quite hilly. Again, it's not an accessible hotel for anyone that doesn't, just really not fit, to be honest with you. Anyone with any injuries or, sorry, just climbing on. Anyone with any injuries, wheelchairs, etc. like that, it's not going to be the holiday destination for you, just because you have to get here by boat, you have to jump off boats, and obviously tractors, floating docks. It is really difficult, but it's very exclusive. There's hardly anyone walking around. It's really lovely. Signs everywhere just to let you know where to go. Now the great thing about this property is you have the front, which is the beach side, that has the sunrise, and then as you go to the back of the property, the sunset bar, which we'll take you to shortly, that has the sunset, and the sunset is stunning. Not many colours.
614.
There we are, there's our room number, and off we go. We are the furthest room away, but look how beautiful these beachfront villas are. Okie dokie. They do put beds out on the beach, but they are very limited, and they go before breakfast is finished. So if you want a beach bed, you've got to get out there early. Here is the monkey bar. I'll insert a video here. We went there yesterday. So they have the monkey bar, but you can order some food. So you've got all the food here that you can order. Drinks. It's a bit windy today because the storm is coming in, but it's beautiful here. And then as you walk out, they've got like a seating area. They've got some sort of bean bags. Obviously straight out onto the beach, and then some really sweet hammocks. So it's the monkey bar. Woo woo! Give me your best monkey noise. It was a little bit stormy, but right on the beachfront. Service not great. Drinks nice. Cocktails are not strong. Satay chicken beautiful. Fries not great. You can see how bumpy this is, so you have got to brace yourself for this buggy ride. One of the other pools, so this is pool number 2. Oh my goodness. Which is an infinity pool overlooking the beach. Again, I'll insert a video here. Here's another one of the pools at the hotel. So this is next to the monkey bar overlooking the sea. It's really sweet actually. Really, really lovely. A few seats around here, not too many. Yay! We made it up to the Sunset Bar. Look at how beautiful it is here. So the bar and restaurant is actually closed during the day. It opens at 5 o'clock, but that would make sense because it's a Sunset Bar, right? So we came up here early and there is literally not a soul to be seen. Look at that beautiful scenery. Feels very Jurassic Coast-esque. We've been in the water and it is just lush. So nice. Oh, they have got some music going.
Lots more people up there now, right?
Yeah. That's lovely. This is the third pool at the hotel. You have like a slightly more shallow pool, a little sort of like hot tubby thing, and then the main pool. They're just learning how to scuba dive in there at the moment, which is kind of cool. But it's kind of, I know I've said it before, this very open plan-esque. So you've got sort of the reception area, the check-in area, the spa, breakfast, and then the restaurant. So yeah, and then this is the like front bar, and then if they do the buffet dinner, it goes all the way around here. We've only seen it once, so we're not sure how often they actually do the buffet dinners, but they do have some outside showers here, and of course everything naturally leads straight onto the beach. Every room does come with one of these water bowls, and this is just purely for washing your feet. Once you've been to the beach, you just dip it in and pour it on. Get all the sand off your feet, and then you go into your rooms. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of the hotel. One thing that I would say, just as a watch out, it is one of a couple of hotels at the north of the island. So if you're okay to be secluded, that's a great location for you. It feels very private, very luxury, which is lovely. The facilities were really nice. The hotel was lovely. The location was great. Yes, we weren't central, but that was all fabulous. The biggest downside to this hotel is absolutely the staff. And unfortunately, it almost feels like they couldn't care less. Very unlike the other hotels that we've had here in Thailand. So I'll just give you a perfect example. We did encounter quite a large problem. We raised it with the staff. They said, sorry for the inconvenience. Didn't try to resolve it. We reached out to our holiday provider that we booked the holiday with. They called them, they asked them to rectify the issue. Reception then called us and said we could pay for an upgrade which would rectify the issue. And obviously it was a no. And do you know what? They didn't even offer us a drink at the bar for this, or we had some chips for lunch. They didn't even take the chips off the bill. So we still got charged for everything when leaving. And this was a really big hygiene issue that we came across. And we then recontacted our provider again, and they demanded that we were moved to ensure that we had the correct hygiene. So look, that is just one example out of many that happened. A lot of people had similar feedback that staff don't really care. Think maybe because it's a 2 kind of night stay, so they're so used to people coming in and out, whereas we were there for 5 days. So for us, it was a real proper holiday, and it really missed that nice touch. The buggy drivers, however, were absolutely lovely. They were full of character. They were great. But bar staff, restaurant staff, reception, they were a really big letdown. The cleaners were also lovely too. So overall, I would say definitely consider options before you book when you go to Phi Phi. Like I say, it's not central, so you are out of the way. However, feels really luxurious. So just make your decisions, but you don't need more than 2 days. And actually the tours that you do in Phi Phi, you can actually get done from the surrounding islands like Phuket and Krabi. You can access it, so you might not need to stay there at all. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching some of our series. We have another hotel stay coming up in Krabi, where you'll get to see the full walk round again. This is a golf and spa resort. It's absolutely wonderful, and the hotel room tour is actually already posted, so go and have a look at that. But thank you guys, hopefully you like this. Please give us a subscribe. Thanks.